good one.
Think so?
Oh, you taking a picture of the dog too?
Now I'm recording.
Oh, you done?
Hey,
I'm done.
watch that edge right there. Go to.
You think it's too high for him?
No. His leg 2 times. His leg went down in here and kind of.
Okay.
Oh, it's loose. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking his leg could get trapped in there, but it'll just pop right out. Okay. You know, when they're little like this, their bones are still pretty fragile.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to break nothing if you know. That's why those dogs are so big.
Why? Because they eat a lot?
If they're eating this much food 3 times a day, that's a lot of food, babe.
Well, that's what she said. She said a half a cup.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you so cute? He's so I can pet him now?
Let's see if he's finished eating. I don't
Mm-mm.
think he
He ain't
is.
finished?
Nope.
New surroundings.
He's trying to figure out where he at.
Mm-hmm. Kayla?
Yeah?
Get everything off the floor, sweetie.
Okay.
See the dime, the rubber band, any of that stuff. Nothing can be on the floor like that.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
No, I'm just saying
I know.
in general.
I know. I
You know,
told her that
everyday thing. You know, right now, because everything is choking. This right here. Back to Kayla. Bend over.
I
That's awesome.
thought I had
You got something that you could block in your area because you don't really move around. It needs, you know. Not
Oh yeah, I didn't get that tent thing.
The what?
You know that tent thing?
No, I'm saying, do you have anything you could just block him in a certain little area?
No,
No.
I didn't buy the gate.
Because he needs a lot of space.
What you doing? What you doing?
Gotta have him in a blind area. You know, if you just boxed him in, gotta put him in a blind. You don't want to be. That's like being in jail.
What?
Well, yeah. Everything off the floor.
I know.
I was talking to you too. Yeah, I am talking to you.
His next feeding time is at 8 o'clock, so if he don't eat all that, I'll wipe up the sides of the edges.
He'll eat all right. Just give him a little while.
Wait for them now?
He's a
Why you get alerts from everybody except me?
I don't.
He's not ready.
4,000 to 8,000.